camera.
Yeah, no kidding.
So how old is that one?
Almost lost a head check.
Yeah.
I don't know, I thought I was gonna go with it.
There's a deer back in there someplace.
Right
Nice throw.
Right by him.
Nice throw.
Well, get a taste of that, boy. You be coming right out, out my hand. He went down for it. He's not scared, I can tell you that. He's brave.
Look at the way the whole surface is just open there. There's so much light underneath it.
Minnows, fish all over in here. These are cypress trees. You can't cut them, but you can take the ones under the water. Some of these bayous were dug to get the cypress out of here years ago. Some for oil and gas. That's an oil well. We got a lot of them around. Where we were running was the Intercoastal Canal. It takes you all the way to Brownsville, Texas. 20 feet deep. That barge is traveling with all type of material through there. The lake was in Lake Salvador.
He's a big one. Holy
It's about 9, 10 foot. That's about the size of that baby.
Or something like that weigh.
300 pounds.
Okay.
Hey, buddy.
Boat's on bottom here. You fall in. Another. Ooh, look at this big gator right here.
Oh my God. Look at
Where?
Right there.
those eyeballs sticking out of the water.
Big head right there, boy. That's about 8, 9 footer. 8 for sure. We on bottom. The boat's on in the mud. He's buried and his body's in the mud.
Really?
Soft mud. He buried himself. He's sinking.
He pulled himself on the right.
Got his nose out the water.
Okay, now let's see.
That's pretty cool right there. You can see him. You wouldn't understand that head right there, his body, his tail's way over there. 'Cause that's about 8 foot, so it's buried in the mud.
Darren, did you get a picture of it?
I did.
I maybe
You
got
sink-
his head,
you
but
sink like up to your chest if you
Really?
fall in right here.
wow. Now, this smells like I expected a swamp to
Yeah,
smell.
natural gas,
Yep.
methane.
Methane.
The land is called float-on. This is where the gators make their nest, 3 foot high, 5 foot wide. She'll sweep her tail with the grass to cover the eggs. It'll be all brown and dead. They can spot it with a plane.
Huh?
April, and May. June and July is when they make their nest. After they lay the eggs, it takes 65 days for them to hatch. She can lay anywhere from 35 to 50.
Huh?
Out here, 7 to 10% chance surviving. You got armadillos and raccoons digging the eggs up, eating them. Hawks will sweep down and grab babies. She eats her own if she's starving. So they're farm raised. They fly a helicopter over. They mark the nest with GPS readings. 2 guys come out here. One distracts her, the other one gets the eggs. Before they transport them, they got to put a dot on top of the egg with a marker. You turn that egg over, the baby will drown. Once they bring them to the
Oh,
farm, they
man.
keep the temperature between 86 and 93 degrees. They produce male or female, but above 93 will be all male, and below 86 all female. 80% survive. They release 20 back. You see a gator with 2 notches cut out in the back of his tail, you know it's a farm-raised gator. They mark them that way to keep track. The rest are sold.
Wow.
All the heads and legs in our shop, that's gators that probably wouldn't have made it out here anyway. We got way more now, and they brought them back. That's why we're able to hunt them, keep the numbers in check.
Sure.
So look at that, just the tip of that nose out, and how would you know there's a gator there?
You don't. Yep.
I lost him.
It's right there. It's
Yeah.
tip of that nose is right there. Now the babies are about 6 inches when they're born.
Ooh.
Got a little surprise here for you. She's a year old.
A year old.
They foot a year ago.
Wow.
I
Wow.
catch them, raise them to 2-3 foot, and then release them back into the wild. They got a better chance surviving at 3 foot. That's why I do it.
Okay.
His name's Dollar. They call me Richie Rich. Got 75 to 80 teeth in his mouth, but they go through 2,000 to 3,000 in a lifetime. Tongues attached on the bottom all the way around.
Huh?
Oh my gosh.
Weird.
Ears are the slits right behind the eyes. 2 layers this way and that way. He can see through that one underwater. Nostrils. 5 toes in the front, 4 in the back. This is how you tell male or female. Just watch out for the Gatorade. It's called a cloaca. You got to get in there and check them out. Another way, if it's over 10 foot, it's a male. Females only get to 10 foot. He loves this. Raw chicken, goldfish, crawfish is what he eats. Yeah.
Sweetie.
It is an alligator. He bites. He can draw blood. So the best way to hold him is around the neck. You don't have to choke him, but in front of the feet, round the neck, and further back on the tail here. You ready?
Mm-mm.
All right, right now.
Neck and tail.
Hey, sweetie.
Try to
Trying to give him a kiss.
try to give him a French kiss.
Oh, oh, hey, look at his eyes. You're really kind of cute. He really is, isn't he?
Kind of like the one you got in there.
Oh, yeah. You are a cutie.
He doesn't like it, seem to like it as much when you're not rubbing his neck.
Yeah, well, I don't know how to do that without letting go. You're so cute. Stop. He is.
Yeah, when he
Yep.
responded.
You
like
want to
that.
pass him? You can pass him.
I'm good.
You wanna hold it?
I could pass him if you want.
Yeah, would you?
Okay, so behind the
Neck
head.
and tail.
Hey, buddy. Wow.
Isn't it cute?
Yeah, you're okay. You're alright. He
So
doesn't definitely.
what is this temperature? Oh, how cold?
What you mean? Right now?
I mean, he felt cold.
Because he came out of the water.
Okay.
I warm the water in the morning when it is cold for him, so he's a little active.
Okay.
Yeah. You do pretty good with speaking out. Yeah, look
Just
at
want to
that.
get your face in there with them. There we go.
My grandkids are like that. Am I holding him too tight? It seems to
Turning
be.
blue.
All right. He's getting squirmy here.
You wanna
I'm
hold
getting.
No.
Good. You seen the white albino we have inside?
Yep.
More chance surviving out here. Skin would burn and they're white. They get eaten. There's only 50 in the world.
Huh?
Genetic mutation. Never know when you're gonna get an albino till it hatches.
Yep.
There's a guy 30 minutes away. He's got a farm. He comes get the eggs off the property. He's got 23 out of the 50. That's where she came from. She's 17 years old. Has 2 pupils and 1 eye.